Hey, what's up YouTube? It's me, Sarah, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about some common skincare ingredients and what they do. So this is just going to be a quick video talking about the most common skincare ingredients you're most likely to run into in a drugstore, and just pretty much what they do and how you could benefit from incorporating these ingredients into your skincare routine. So the first ingredient that I'm pretty sure everybody has heard of at some point in their life is salicylic acid, which is a beta hydroxy acid, or a BHA, and pretty much what it does is it cleanses really deep within the pore lining. This will help prevent acne but also treat any current breakouts that you may be struggling with. So salicylic acid has been backed by so many decades of research. It is just a golden ingredient for treating acne, so I do highly recommend trying to incorporate salicylic acid if you do struggle with consistent breakouts. Even if it's not in a cleanser form, you can incorporate it with a mask, like a weekly mask. The mask that I love using is the Verse Doctor's Visit Instant Resurfacing Mask. It does contain salicylic acid, and I only use it once or twice a week, and it literally helps brighten up my skin and clears up any breakouts that I'm currently struggling with. So the next ingredient is benzoyl peroxide, which is also a beta hydroxy acid. This one really helps with the bacterial aspect of acne, any kind of stubborn cystic acne. Benzoyl peroxide works particularly well with those type of breakouts. Benzoyl peroxide is also really effective when it comes to treating body acne. So whenever I break out on my chest, on my back, whenever I use my Panoxyl 10% cleanser, it really helps treat those breakouts. And side note, I really love using benzoyl peroxide on my armpits. It is really effective at treating body odor, so highly recommend. It's so multi-purpose and highly effective. So the next ingredient is hyaluronic acid, which is a humectant, and what that means is it draws in moisture from your environment into your skin to help hydrate and plump up your skin. So if you live in a really humid environment, you may really benefit from incorporating hyaluronic acid within your routine, especially if you struggle with dry patches or your skin looking more dull or not as hydrated. Hyaluronic acid will definitely help plump it up and give you a healthier appearance. The next common skincare ingredient is vitamin C, which is an antioxidant. A lot of people really rave about vitamin C because of the multiple benefits you can get from incorporating it. However, I do want to point out that it does depend on the form of vitamin C you're incorporating into your routine. It also depends on how the product was formulated. Typically, you do want to aim for a product that has L-ascorbic acid, which is a really potent and highly effective form of vitamin C, where you can derive the most benefit from using it. So when it comes to brightening your overall skin appearance, helping fight aging, and protecting your skin from the sun. So I definitely recommend incorporating vitamin C in your daytime skincare routine so that it can really help protect your skin from the free radicals caused by the sun, and also in fighting aging. So the next skincare ingredient is retinol. This is a form of vitamin A, or it's a vitamin A derivative, and it's really known for fighting aging, which means that it helps increase your cell turnover, so you're pretty much getting rid of the damaged or the old skin cells and promoting collagen production, which helps with textural issues. Retinol is also really great if you do struggle with acne, depending on what type of acne you have and other conditions within your skin. For me, whenever I incorporated a retinoid, which is adapalene, that really helped fight my breakouts. So it really treated the acne that I was struggling with. It helped prevent more acne, because when your skin is constantly shedding or it increases the turnover rate, there's less risk of your pores getting clogged, and that in turn helps prevent acne. So the next skincare ingredient is niacinamide. I'm sure a lot of people have also heard of this ingredient, especially because of The Ordinary. It really blew up after that. But this is an antioxidant. It really helps control oil production, so if you really struggle with oily skin, I highly recommend incorporating niacinamide if your skin can tolerate it. The downside to it is it can be irritating for the sensitive skin types. It also depends on what percentage of niacinamide you're getting. So do be wary and start at a lower concentration of niacinamide before working your way up, because the higher the percentage, the higher the risk of irritation to your skin. But I really like niacinamide because it's been great at lightening any dark marks, so it helps treat hyperpigmentation, helps with your oil production, and it also is really great for fighting aging. So some important notes I did want to mention when it comes to any of these ingredients is that it's not the poison, it's the dose. So do be wary when it comes to the concentration of any of these ingredients, because everyone's skin is different with unique needs. So I always recommend starting at a lower percentage of an ingredient before working your way up. Give it a few weeks to a month to really see if the ingredient works well with your skin. If you happen to notice any kind of irritation, I do advise not purchasing the product anymore and just kind of giving it away, or maybe the product just isn't for you. But there are a lot of things that can contribute to a product not working for you or an ingredient. So the formulation also matters. Just be careful and really listen to how your skin is reacting to any kind of ingredient or product. I also want to point out that the inactive or the active ingredients within a product do play a huge role in how an ingredient is delivered within your skin. With these inactive or these active ingredients, it affects how fast or slow the product gets absorbed into your skin and how deep these ingredients will penetrate. So that also plays a factor in why some products may not work for you. But overall, I just want to make it a point to remember that skincare really is subjective. So just because some ingredients work for some people, some products work really well for other people, or maybe vice versa. Maybe sometimes these products that aren't super hyped up work for you but not for other people. That's okay. As long as it works for you, that's what matters. And really just listening to how your skin feels and adjusting your routine from there. But that's pretty much it, y'all. I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. I hope that it was helpful or informative to those of you who struggle with trying to find the right products or the right ingredients, especially when you're skincare shopping. It can be really confusing knowing what some of these ingredients do, so I hope that this video sheds some light on what potential benefits you may derive from these products. If you haven't already, please make sure to check the description box down below. I will have a timestamp so you can hop around this video. I will also link related videos of mine that you may find helpful, and please stay tuned. I post every single Monday.